Hey, good morning, Brent. This is Jason with Taylor Parker Motor Company, and I'm going to shoot that video for you of the Avalanche that you inquired about. I did a walk around the exterior, and everything is in excellent condition for being a 3-year-old vehicle. So start here with the tires. See the tread life left. I would say that there's probably 50 to 60% left on the tread life on this. Got the sport wheel. Chevy sport wheel, 20-inch. Looks awesome on this vehicle. Walk around, just very, very light scratches, if any, on the bumper cover. Like I said, it's in excellent condition for a vehicle 3 years old. Tread life on the back tire, very similar to the front. Equal tread life going around. It's got the tow package on it. Backup camera. And the sensors for backing up as well, which are located down across there. Now, these pieces in the back of the bed, they do come off, so they can use this more as a pickup. All right. This is the LTZ package. Comes with virtually every option out there, and including the sunroof, sliding, DVD system, premium sound, etc. Let's see here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and fold back mirrors. You got heated seats right there, and memory seating as well. Adjustable electric seats. Run this in 2 auto or 4-wheel drive. 4 low. Cruise control settings at your fingertips, as well as volume control and radio control right here as well. And here's your information center right here. And everything in here is just extremely clean. See in the stitching. The passenger seat seems to be virtually unused. Driver's seat as well. Go ahead and start it for you. It's got a full back seat with plenty of room back here. Separate controls for radio. Here's the DVD player. Fold down on that. And that's about it. It seems to be in real good shape, like you saw yesterday. Share this with your wife. Give me a call back at Taylor Parker Motor Company. And my phone number, my direct line for my cell, is 208-304-2040. Look forward to hearing from you, Brent. Thanks so much.